see if you have reaction time as fast as me. Get ready. Ready, set, go. Oh my god. This bitch is God damn. That thing whips so fucking hard.
Need your devotion. My skin is black and golden. I'm not here for bragging, boasting.
What is going on, guys? It's your boy Poe. What is going on, guys? It's your boy Poe, and I'm in the 6 Media building, and y'all know what that is because you watch Gavin's videos. That is Gavin. Hello. That is Harry. Hola. That's ZORBII.
Fuck you.
We're in his office right now, and currently this truck right here is completely messed up. Whenever I go and press the right one, it goes and that's not good. So currently I am on the forums trying to find out why it's going. Tomorrow we're gonna do some forensics with me, Harry, Gavin, and maybe ZORBII. ZORBII? ZORBII? We're gonna do some forensics. And you wanna check my rear end, ZORBII?
Hey ZORBII, check out Poe's rear end, dog. They call him ZORBII, everybody calls him ZORBII.
Yeah, his name's ZORBII. I'll link his channel.
A long time ago, Daniel's Instagram used to be, they called me that ZORBII guy, and nobody called him that.
This is ZORBII. He said, let me show you the way.
The way.
So this torque monster right here has way too much torque for its own good. So whenever I press the right pedal, it goes grrr, and that's really bad. So I need to figure out what the heck's going on with it. However, what we're going to do, we are going to supercharge my truck for the cheap price of, what was that, like 100 something?
Or $100, I think.
Supercharging my truck for $100. Let's make some power.
Harry is taking off the hood so that we can use our gigantic Procharger kit.
And this truck right here has rear end problems, and we don't want to worry about all that stuff, so we're just gonna supercharge it. This is Gavin's F1R Procharger and his giant ass blow off valve, but we're using something a little more to the spec of mine. But either way, we're gonna build some boost and we're gonna race that truck right there. Y'all might know as Allison is a Duramax, and this truck is gonna put lengths on it.
The best part is, look, it's gonna be sucking air normally. Then whenever we turn it on, oh, it's variable speed too.
Oh,
we can adjust.
So we have adjustable boost.
Adjustable boost.
Now Harry's helping me get this air intake off, and we're gonna pull this right here off so we can get piping into it. Oh my gosh, look at that blow off valve. That thing's the size of like my motor. So what we're doing is running piping just from here to here into my intake, making sure that it goes to the mass airflow sensor so the motor doesn't go completely crazy. But golly, just look at that. Would y'all believe me if I said we had a problem? I gotta find the keys.
Are you kidding me?
I'm turning her on. First start. Starts right up. All right, I got my supercharger right here. Let's freaking hit the highway, boys. Whoa, you can hear it right here. Look at it spin. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It sounds like a trumpet. Oh my God. Y'all ready to freaking make this happen? Let's freaking roll. Let's roll.
Like this. I don't have the balls for it though.
What do you like about my supercharger?
Really don't blow anything up.
No promises. We got the fire extinguisher down there. We just got it tied down with the old American flag tie that I got at the pawn shop for $2. She's on there. She ain't going anywhere. Let's freaking make some hot laps.
Just go. Hey, not in the turn. Oh!
My truck does not get to 100 that fast. What even?
It actually worked.
Ready? I did not expect it to actually work.
I've watched like Roadkill and Muddy Car Mods do their versions of it, but this actually makes a difference. Like, I don't know if it's just a Milwaukee blower or something, but this legit makes a difference.
Oh boy, I am curious to see what they're gonna say. Look.
I'm gonna do a #1 ranch sauce with that.
Hey, I gotta say, you got our curiosity. What you got going on?
This here is a supercharger. I can rev it for you if you want me to.
All right.
We are. What's up?
What's up?
Maybe I'll get famous.
There you go.
You
We're on
might.
2 different channels. So
You might.
That's awesome.
all right, there you go.
I got have a good one.
You too.
Howdy.
Hi.
Edgar. I got blue wheels too. That's the best part.
Yeah.
Whoa! I'm not even trying.
There's a fan inside of here, and it can already bypass the fan, so it's like a normal intake. But whenever we squeeze the trigger, it just shoves a lot more.
Oh my gosh! The screwdriver! Listen, Daniel.
Yeah, that's really loud for an intake.
Yeah.
How much is this entire? So how much is this entire supercharger?
hood speed, dog.
Hey,
How
if you had
crucial is
smaller,
that cardboard box to the
Oh,
structure?
the
Very
structural
crucial.
integrity of the kit, it requires the cardboard box.
Today's build is sponsored by Great Value.
You know what the funny part is? It actually picked up about 15 horsepower.
Did it really?
Yeah.
It's faster. It's like
Well, if you run out of power, you just swap batteries, right? You just,
Yeah.
exactly.
well,
an
it's gotta
F1R.
have 50 horsepower just in cool factor.
Oh yeah.
Dude, I have stickers all over. We got tons of power.
Enjoy yourself, children.
Hey, this is work. This is dope.
Now we eat and then we go race. My glasses go.
I don't know. They fly out because I was going so fast. So we got the truck right here, supercharged, and there's Allison right there, Gavin's Duramax. And what we'll go ahead and do is race this truck against this truck because why not? Let's freaking race them.
Yeah, that's great.
Racing, bro.
Are you about to get on your roof? Oh, this is perfect.
So you can see this right here. That's the blower. That's a supercharger right there. Runs through that line, goes all the way down into the intake, and this thing freaking works. We've made power out of it. What is going on, guys? It's Poe. And we're gonna see how this goes. We're gonna see if my little 4-liter can beat his 6.6.
I'm gonna give my GoPro to you so that you can hold it on your head so we can see whenever you're engaging boost.
It looks great though. Currently, me and Gavin are going out to go find a spot where we can do a dig race real quick with my supercharger right here. My truck's really not that fast compared to a big old diesel, but we'll see how it does with this supercharger on it. Oh, put her in your beast mode tune. You're gonna need it. Hey, I'm gonna let you know my transmission, my gears are gonna be grinded straight off after this, so I hope y'all are ready for a transmission rebuild.
Can't do that, man.
Boy.
All right, ready? All right, ready?
Oh God, dude, he's still going.
He's still going, bro. Oh my God.
Woo! I walked him. Oh my gosh, I completely walked all over him. They probably think my truck's broken. I just want to do another race. That was awesome. On the start, I was spinning all the way through first gear. Second gear caught in and it went, yoot! It shot all the piping.
Does it normally spin tires like that?
No! I mean, like, yeah, but like not on a launch like that. Like I was launching it like I normally do, like right at around 2,000, like 2,200 RPMs and it won't spin. As soon as second caught, the pipes went, whoop, they shot straight up and the whole truck started going, dude. It just walked. I was roasting them. You can see my tire marks. All right, ready?
He's off the road.
Oh my God.
Dude, it gets so fast.
I know.
It just start, look at that thing. It's still going.
Hey, let's do a roll.
Okay, let's do a, what, a 40 roll? I don't know.
30 roll.
30 roll? Okay. Slow distance.
I'm going 25!
Go 15. Okay. Let's do a 20 roll.
20 roll.
It's so fast. Yep.
We just made it back, and oh my gosh, I completely just put lengths on that Duramax right there. That was insane.
This is the best thing I've ever seen in my life.
Come take a look at it.
We need to make a new shop called Six Fabrications because this is dope.
How does it sound?
It sounds great, dog. It sounds amazing.
Explain something to you. This is a 4-liter Tacoma on 34.5. Just completely destroyed a 6.6 liter turbo Duramax. It's fast. Like fast. Yeah.
You want to race? 3-valve GT. We're gonna put that against this, see if we have more of an even race, because golly, that thing was fast. Looking at this, you can see Supercharger right here. So I put a story on my Snapchat and it just says Supercharger right there. So everyone's like, what the heck did you do to your truck? We Supercharged it. I guess it's literally what we did. We Supercharged it. Dude, the box is freaking the OG. It's not even hot. You want some sauce? Because I'm giving out sauce today.
I want some sauce.
Big shit, we got a manual transmission. Oh, we don't have a seat? Oh,
yeah.
Dude, he's already sneaking in the weight
He's already
reduction.
sneaking in weight reduction. I literally have a solid 75 pounds of subs in the back seat.
Where's the nitrous bottle at, dude?
Yeah, where's your Zex kit?
We got the twin BBK 62 millimeter throttle body.
Ported intake and lower plenum delete.
Ported intake? Lower plenum delete. Oh, I don't know, dude.
Bro, I think I'm gonna have some sauce given to me.
I think you're gonna.
I'm gonna put up a run though.
Austin, you think you got what it takes to beat the Tacoma?
I'm pretty curious.
Keep in mind, it's a Toyota Tacoma. So if you get walked by a Tacoma, you're no longer allowed to come over here. I think Post truck is faster than I would never say a Tacoma's fast, but it's fast.
It has no traction first gear.
Did you see the mark from the first time? It was just like tires, just like from here to the concrete over there.
And second gear, the entire way through, he was spinning so bad that he was like going off the road. He's on 35s almost on a Tacoma.
We're gonna do a dig. Let's do this again.
You want to dig first? Sure. All right, let's go. Oh, don't kill us. Don't forget to squeeze your trigger, your boost trigger. Oh, there's a truck right behind us. Go, go, go. He moved the gear in an automatic. Why would you spin third gear in an auto?
I'm trying to be like you.
He's trying to be like me and he missed third gear in an auto. He forgot to shift it back down. Hey, do another one. We got it from the 30 this time. Don't miss a gear. We got it one more time. One more.
Dude, we were actually starting to pull.
Yeah, I know. We were starting to pull on it. Austin, slow down.
30 roll. 30 roll. All right, honk it off.
30 roll. The first good run and we actually walked the GT.
Look at his face. Look at his face. He looks at us. Hold on tight.
No,
Hold on tight.
swear.
Hold on tight.
Stop. Stop.
Hold on
Bro,
tight.
Stop.
Hold on tight.
Stop. Oh, I swear to God, dude. It's my God damn it, Poe.
Like every single accessory you could off.
You were ready. I had the AC on and 3 whole guys.
That's true. I offered for one of them to ride with me.
No, that's fine. I still beat you.
You're lucky he missed the gear, dog.
Yeah, I missed second when I was pulling on you and I missed second.
And then he left it.
I left it in second lock and it went and I was like, oh boy.
That thing redlined so fucking hard.
He held it down with his American tie, his thrift shop tie.
Is that where he got this from?
Yeah, we got that when we bought the bikes.
Can you help me take this one?
So you just gotta keep blowing air in there?
Huh?
You just gotta keep blowing air in there?
Uh-huh. I think it's strong.
Alright guys, and just like that, the guys are helping me put everything back together. The cold air intake's almost already back on and it'll be naturally aspirated. I'm gonna miss it. Maybe one day we'll turn back around and maybe put a bottle on it or something goofy like that. Gotta fix some other problems before we end up going for real with all of it. That's perfect.
Look at my truck. It looks like a bass boat.
Wow.
It's no longer fast, but that's okay because this truck right here is going to get a complete driveline overhaul, torque converter, transmission, U-bolts, center support bearing, and rear end completely overhauled, as well as new transmission is going to have a shift kit as well, so it's going to be able to handle some power. So, since you've seen the truck with a little bit of power, me and Gavin have an idea, and it might involve a little bit of spinning action, and it's going into this truck right here. So that's all I'm gonna leave you with right there. If you wanna see some more content of stupid stuff, we do that stuff all the time. Give it a like, subscribe, show your buddies, send it to anyone you want. Thank you very much. Y'all remember to send it. Enjoy this video of Gavin's Mustang almost starting, and then kinda starting, and then burning my eyes.